Diagram 4 show the line L1 is parallel to L2. Okay. So show that M1 equal to M2 uh, such that M1 and M2 are the gradient of L1 and L2 respectively. So this one, the question is not good enough lah. Since it's parallel already, then we know M1 equal to M2 lah. So it should change that given, okay. So it should say that given theta 1 equal to theta 2, show that M1 equal to M2. So it shouldn't say that L1 parallel to L2 lah, or show that L1 or show L1 parallel to L2. Okay, so to answer this question, we must know one thing, that the gradient equal to tangent theta. Okay, gradient equal to tangent theta. So we have this is a right angle triangle. This is opposite adjacent, opposite adjacent. So we know that the gradient, the tangent theta is equal to O over A. So we know that the gradient is the height over the width, then is O over A. O over A here. So we know that the gradient is actually tangent theta. So because theta 1 equal to theta 2, then tangent theta 1 equal to tangent theta 2. So we have the M1 equal to M2. Okay, sure. Part B, quadrilateral PQRS have an area of 36. So area is 36. So P is this, Q is this, R is this, S is this, H equal to 3K. So I will change the Q as negative 5, 3K instead of I get two equation and do the simultaneous equation. I straight change here. Okay, so the area is 1 over 2. We start with any of these 4 points. I will choose 2, 0. Okay, because it is easier. So 2, 0, then K is 7, negative 2, 6, and then negative 5, 3K, and then go back to 2, 0. Okay, so this is the area of quadrilateral. Then this equal to 36. Okay, so 2 multiply there, so plus and then minus. Okay, so we will have the modulus 2 times 7 plus k times 6 plus negative 2 times 3k plus negative 5 times 0, and then minus this 0 times k plus 7 times negative 2 plus 6 times negative 5 plus 3k times the 2, okay, equal to 36. Okay, so we have the modulus 14 plus 6k minus 6k plus 0 minus 0 minus 14 minus 30 plus 6k, okay, equal to 36 times 2, then it's 72. Okay, so it will become 6k minus 6k, then we have the modulus 14 plus 14 and then plus 30 and then minus 6k equal to 72. So 28 plus 30 then is 58. Okay, so we have the 58 minus 6k equal to 72. So we have the uh 58 minus 6k equal to 72 or 58 minus 6k equal to negative 72. We have modulus x equal to k, then x will be plus minus k. Okay, so they want to find the value of k only. So we will have the 58 minus 72 equal to 6k. Then is negative 14 equal to 6k. Then k is negative 14 over 6, negative 7 over 3. And we have the 58 plus 72 equal to 6k. So we have the 6k equal to 130. K is 130 over 6, which is 65 over 3. So when we open the modulus, then we will have the plus minus. So the 58 minus 6k equal to plus minus 72. Then we will have two answer for k.
语音选择哦。
So B, the t move along. So we have locus moving point t. So move along the circle with diameter PR. So we need to find the equation of locus T. So diameter PR, we have a circle here. So diameter PR, so this is P and we have R here. So P is negative 26 and the R is 20. So diameter, then they have the radius and radius here. We can have the center. So center is the midpoint of PR. So we have the negative 2 plus 2 over 2 and then 6 plus 0 over 2. So the center of the circle will be 0, 3. Okay. So the radius is equal to CR or CP. Okay, I use CR because they have the C and R is 0, 3 and 202. R is simple. Okay, so we have the 2 minus 0 square plus 0 minus 3 square and square root of. So it will be square root of 4 plus 9 square root 13. So we have the T is the moving point. So T is xy, can be any point on the circumference. So we have the CT equal to radius. Okay, then we will have the square root of x minus the center is 0, 3, x minus 0 square plus y minus 3 square equal to square root of 13. Okay, so we square both sides and expand the term inside. Then we have the x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equal to 13. So the answer will be x squared plus y squared minus 6y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the final answer. Okay, so next, determine whether this point lie on the circumference. Okay, so what we can do is we substitute, okay, when x equal to negative 3, y equal to 2. So the left hand side will be negative 3 square plus 2 square minus 6 times negative 3 minus 4. Then we have the 9 plus 4 minus 18 plus 18. Okay, minus 4 equal to 27. Wait, negative 3, 6y, 6y, y is 2, 6 times 2. Okay, so it's minus 12. Then it will be negative 3, not equal to 0, the right hand side. So not 4 on the, so no. Okay. Uh, we have the P and R here is lie on this. So when we substitute with P and R into this equation, then the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay, so we will have this one. Okay, so x equal to -6, y equal to 6, then the left hand side equal to -2 square plus 6 square minus 6 times 6 minus 4, then 4 plus 36 minus 36 minus 4 equal to 0. This is the right hand side. And then this one, x equal to 2, y equal to 0. So left hand side will be 2 square plus 0 square minus 6 times 0 minus 4. Then it's 4 minus 4 equal to 0, which is the right hand side. Okay, so the point that fall in the circumference, then when we substitute the value of xy, left hand side will equal to right hand side. If left hand side not equal to right hand side, then it's not fall on the not lie on the circumference. Okay, so point this. So for just now this one, so does not lie on the circumference. So P lies on circumference. Okay. So yeah, P lies on the circumference, and then the R also lies on the circumference. Hmm. So for all of this question is coordinate. Okay, so geometry coordinate. Form 4 chapter 7 geometry coordinate.